Hello, I'm Ian, and I'm here on the right side of the screen to talk about blizzards. Now, why am I doing this? Well, I was told I'd be being paid a hefty sum of $100 for this. So, I had the script here that has all the things I need to let you know. The definition of a blizzard is a severe snowstorm with high winds and low visibility. They contain a large amounts of snow, or blowing snow, with winds over 35 miles per hour, and visibilities of less than 1/4 mile for an extended period of time. For one to happen, three other things need to happen. The air temperature in the clouds and on the ground needs to be below freezing, which is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. There needs to be a lot of moisture or water vapor, and warm air needs to rise over cold air, and when all three of these factors occur, a blizzard forms. Cold air causes snow to form, and moisture and the warm air rising causes clouds and precipitation to form. This happens around autumn and spring, and it happens when a mass of cold polar air moving rapidly southward from higher altitudes encounters a strong north wind flow of moist tropical air from lower altitudes. The upper Midwest and Great Plains in the United States is where this happens most. What are the destructive powers of this type of weather? Well, let's just say my friend Gavin here is affected by a blizzard. Heavy snow can immobilize a region and paralyze a city, straining commuters, closing airports, and stopping the flow of supplies, and disrupting emergency medical services. The weight of snow can cause roofs to collapse and knock down trees and power lines. The effects are measured by analyzing the potential impacts of a snow amount. What is the type and magnitude of the damage? Yeah, I tried looking this up everywhere and didn't find an answer, so I just put here, a large amount. I guess that makes enough sense. The aerial distribution of the snowfall and population information are combined in an equation that calculates an NESIS score, which varies from around 1 for smaller storms to over 10 for extreme storms. The raw score is then converted to one of the 5 NESIS I'm calling NESIS. One of the 5 NESIS categories. Satellite images are very useful for determining cloud patterns and the movement of winter storms. By looping a series of satellite pictures together, forecasters can watch a storm's development and movement. Now here's a case study of this happening I like to call the Great Blizzard of 1888. I call it that because it was called the Great Blizzard of 1888. Great White Hurricane, also known as the Great, was one of the most severe recorded blizzards in American history. The storm paralyzed the East Coast from the Chesapeake Bay to Maine. As much as 58 inches of snow fell in the same regions. Trains and roads were shut down, boats were destroyed, and over 400 people died. If you're wondering if people were warned of it happening, there was no warning systems to speak of in 1888. So if a blizzard decides to screw you over, well, similar to my friend when I stole all of his Skittles, you wouldn't know until it was too late. And that's it. Oh, where's my money? Are you serious? $100 in Chuck E. Cheese credits? Screw it, might as well go gambling. Yeah! Gambling! Let's go gambling! Yeah!